Getting my Sisterlocks was one of the best things I did for myself in my 20s, right behind getting a couple of degrees and traveling. It's been 10 years and it feels like my hair just gets better every year as it matures and as my life gets busier. In this video, I want to share with you the top 4 reasons I'm obsessed with my Sisterlocks and why you may want to consider getting locks yourself. What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Latoya. There have been so many benefits to having Sisterlocks for me, both practically and spiritually. By spiritually, I just mean feeling connected to my hair and in alignment. So here are the top 4 ways that Sisterlocks have been a game changer for me. The number one best thing about having Sisterlocks is the absolute freedom and ease of my hair. No matter what is going on in my life, I know that my hair is gonna be low maintenance, and that is so appreciated. I can go for a swim, I can spend an afternoon in the sauna, I can camp outside for a few days, and I know that my hair will still look good. And I'm not stressed because I can wash my hair whenever I want, as often as I want. It's truly a wash and go hairstyle. And because my locks are thinner, they dry faster. So when I wash my hair, I typically air dry it, but if I need to go somewhere in a rush, I can blow dry it. There's so much flexibility in how you maintain it and take care of it. The second thing I love about Sisterlocks is once you get past an initial installation, the monthly cost of maintaining your hair is cheaper than whatever else you could be doing with your hair. And actually it could be $0 if you decide to maintain it yourself. I pay $100 to $140 every 6 to 8 weeks to have my hair retightened. That is less than I used to pay when I was a loose natural. And once you've had your Sisterlocks for at least 3 months, you can take the Sisterlocks retightening class that will teach you how to maintain your hair. My plan in the beginning was to take this class and to do my own hair, but once I realized how many locks I actually had, I decided that the time cost wasn't worth it, and it just made more sense for me to go and have someone do my hair in 4 hours rather than sort of stretch that out over a whole week or however long it would have taken me to do it. You don't need a lot of fancy products. I have a video where I show you exactly how I moisturize my hair. All I buy is some natural oils and rose water and make my own homemade spray. It is not only a low maintenance hairstyle, it's also a cost-effective hairstyle. The third reason I love Sisterlocks is that it saved so much time. I am a mom, I'm a full-time employee, I'm an entrepreneur, I take care of my parents, I do a bunch of things, and I just don't have a lot of time to spend on my hair, but I still need it to look good, and I get that with Sisterlocks. My daily routine takes under 5 minutes. I literally spray my hair, I run my hands through my hair just to sort of brush it out, and that is it. If I'm gonna do a little updo, that takes another minute or 2, but it doesn't take very long to do my hair in the mornings. Other than my daily maintenance, every 6 to 8 weeks, I go to get my hair retightened, and that takes about 4 hours. The fourth and final reason I'm obsessed with Sisterlocks is because it is totally natural. I love everything natural. I use natural cleaning products at home. I use natural body products. There's so many pollutants out here in the world, and I know that I cannot avoid them all, but I do try to do what I can, and that extends all the way to my hair. So that is what I love about Sisterlocks. It's totally natural. So there are no products used when your Sisterlocks are installed. Your hair is simply interlocked into itself, and I use my natural homemade spray. So those are my top reasons for being obsessed with my Sisterlocks and Sisterlocks in general. Of course, there are also some drawbacks or cons to Sisterlocks, and I just made a video about that, so go check that out if you want to see the other side. I have a whole playlist of Sisterlocks videos that takes you through how I maintain my hair, my homemade spray, my color, everything. So take a look at that playlist if you want to know more. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Peace.